Well, YouTube, this is your boy Jesse Lee coming at you with Snow Apocalypse 2011 in the metro Atlanta, Georgia area. I mean, oh my gosh, look. I don't know if you can see, but all the snow right here has fallen in less than about 45 minutes. I mean, look at this. Oh, my iPhone's starting to get a little wet. Well, let me turn off the, so you can maybe see. No, looks better with the light. But as you can see, my truck is almost completely full of snow. It's the family's car. And I mean, look at this. A couple of guys have already tried to go sledding. I don't know if you can see or not. But yeah, I mean, just look at this. This is all within just 45 minutes. All this has fallen. I mean, they're saying it's going to be 2 days of this. Today is Sunday night. And they said it's going to snow all the way until tomorrow night. And yeah. So I'll kind of take you guys a little bit on a adventure here. Whew, my hands are cold. Whew. I mean, this is just look at that. All my friends are on Facebook are calling it Snow Apocalypse. I mean, just look at this. I mean, look how perfect it is. It's just perfect. I mean, it's powdery. It's perfect. Look at that. Wow. No sleet yet. They said we're probably going to get... Whew, my hand's cold. Probably going to get some sleet tomorrow. So, hold on, guys. Sorry. I need to keep my iPhone from getting too wet. But, I mean, just look at this. This is amazing. Whew, I have to actually cover my face. All the snow in my face. Woo! Let me turn off the light here. Yeah, there, it's better. And I just got out of the shower about 5 minutes ago. And as you can see, I'm in my Dolphins PJs. And I'm not saying that I am a Dolphins fan, it's just someone gave me these. But yeah, just look at that. This is so freaking amazing. I mean, if you want to show you guys the backyard. It's probably a little hard to see right now, but look at that. Here's our tree. There's our neighbors over there. Those are the ones that were trying to do the sledding. I mean, look at that. I don't know. It's bright enough for you now. You probably can't see it, but this is our little forest area right here. That's behind our house. But yeah, just look at this. Oh my God. It looks like something out of like a movie or like a magazine or something like that. I mean, oh wow. Yeah, I mean, I don't think you can see it, but it just looks like a storm's coming through over there. With all this, I mean, well, there is a storm, duh. Just look at all this. There's the neighbors. They're still amazed over the snow. There's the house. I'm going to take you guys back out here. Look at all this. It's our neighbors. It's our neighbor's little hill. My dad's truck. As you can probably see, I'm covered in snow right now, which is quite obvious with a snowstorm. But I mean, look at that. I've been in a few little snowstorms in my life, mostly, of course, in the South. I've had one big one in Nashville, but I have never had one this bad, especially this quick. Looks like something out of those movies when you see about like the Arctic and you see all the snow just falling and wind blowing and whew. Oh, I love it. I love it. And I have to go to work tomorrow at 5 o'clock, not in the morning. I have to work at 5 p.m. Kind of interested to see if I'm going to even be able to make it. But hopefully it doesn't ice too much. I might be able to. But yeah, this is Jesse Wallace's, or Jesse Lee's Snow Apocalypse 2011. Great way to kick off a new year. Alright folks, I'm out. Enjoy.